Hello everyone, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily turn off artificial intelligence and visual interpretation on your ECOVACS Deebot X1 Plus. So first, in the app, click on the robot. Now here, scroll down until you see intelligence settings and click them. Here we have AIVI 3D, which stands for Artificial Intelligence and Visual Interpretation in 3D, which makes the robot identify and avoid obstacles in your, let's say, room. And to disable it, simply click the switch. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.